Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today's story is a person full of tension cannot love. Why? A person full of tension always live for some purpose. He can earn money but cannot love because love has no purpose. Love is not an object. You cannot collect it. You cannot make it a bank deposit. You cannot strengthen your ego with it. Surely, love is a very meaningless act that has no meaning beyond it, no purpose. It exists for its own sake and not for anyone else. Love is for love. You earn money to get something, it is a means. You build a house for some purpose to live in it, it is a means. Love is not a means. Why do you love? Why do you do it? Love is an end in itself. That's why the intellect, which is very calculative and rational, which always thinks in the language of utility, cannot love. And the intellect, which always thinks in the language of some utility or purpose, always remains tense. Because the purpose will be fulfilled in the future, now and never here. You build a house, you cannot live in it now and at this moment. First you have to create it, you will able to live in it only in the future, not now. You earn money, the money will be deposited in the bank in the future, not now. You have to take measures now and result will come in future. But love is always here. He has no future. That's why love is very close to meditation. That's why even death is very close to meditation. Because death is here and now. It never happens in the future. Can you die in the future? You can die only in the present. No one ever dies in the future. How can you die in the future? Or how can you die in the past? The past is gone, it is no more. So you cannot die in it. And the future has not yet come. So how you can die in it? Death always happens in the present. Death, love, meditation all happen in the present. So if you are afraid of death, you cannot love. You cannot meditate if you are afraid of love. If you are afraid of meditation, then your life is wasted. Not wasted in the sense of utility, but in the sense that you will never experience any joy in life. Love, meditation, death. It seems strange to associate these three with each other, but it is not so. All three are similar experience. So if you can enter one, you can enter the other two. Thank you. If you enjoyed this story, then please make sure to like, share and subscribe this channel and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you.